Hello everybody. Get a couch. Jen, you can't get a couch. Get a pillow, sit on your couch, grab some tea. We're gonna chill together. You're chilling on the floor with me because we're doing an unboxing video. I have not done an unboxing video in so long. I'm super excited to share this one with you. It's actually near and dear to my heart because it was created by a friend of mine. Her name is Malika Brooks and she created the Lyfe Box. Can you see that? Yes. So we're going to break this open. Look at it. I did not even, it's a true unboxing. I did not even peek inside the box. As much as I wanted to, I did not open it yet. So we're gonna open it together. Because I don't have my fancy setup, I don't have a desk or anything for you to actually see me unboxing it as I'm unboxing it. I have my beautiful stand here with me, which is actually in my bedroom, but for the purposes of this video, it's going to be our display shelf. You're gonna hear the plastic and everything coming off, but I promise you, I will show you the products as I unravel them. But just to give you, hopefully you can hear me over this. I don't know if that's a good idea. Let me just talk while I'm doing it. So excited! Look at how pretty that is. I am a flower child, true and true. So this to me is just gorgeous. I love a good print. Yes, ma'am. This is gorgeous. All of their social connects are on the box as well, which is great. Okay. Now that the plastic is off, I can talk. But just to give you a background, I already told you that my friend created this idea, or this box. It is Black owned. I'm gonna read off the description on Instagram really quick because I think it's so sweet, it's so cute. A monthly pampering system for the busy woman who still takes time for herself. That's me. That's me. That's probably you too, or someone that you know. Like, who cannot benefit from a box like this, right? Okay. Oh, look at this. Welcome to Lyfe Box, gorgeous. How dope is that? The packaging is definitely on point. All right, let's see. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. I already see some things that I love. Okay, first off, it comes with this card, which I'm going to read. I love this. I already love this. Thank you for your subscription to Lyfe Box. We take great pride and care into curating this box for you each month. We hope you enjoy these products as much as we enjoyed picking and packing them. Please reach out to us via email or our website or in the reviews and our Facebook page and tell us how we're doing. Thank you, Malika. Thank you, Malika. Hopefully that wasn't a spoiler alert, but that's what I got in my box. And then I got a nice little card. I don't know if that's personal, so I'm gonna hold off on reading the card, but I love this touch. I love it. Your February Lyfe Box has arrived. Oh yes, and it tells you everything that's in the box. I'm not gonna read it yet though, because I want to pull everything out and be surprised, and then I'll go back and kind of maybe go over a description of each item. But this is cute. It's lip balm season. Tired of your lips feeling the effects of this cold, blistery weather? Our lip balms are made with the finest ingredients that leaves your lips feeling moist and soothing for this dry, nasty weather. So I'm assuming that there is a lip balm in the box. The first thing that I saw, peach green tea. I love green tea. Peach green tea is pretty bomb. I know because I've tried it. I've probably tried every flavor of green tea. So the fact that I have peach green tea in my box just makes me super excited. I can see myself sipping this early morning as I'm getting ready for my morning, or as I'm sitting at my desk dreading being at work, but just having something that is mine. That sounds so cheesy, but just sipping on a little something that makes me happy. Or late at night, you know, curled up with a book, or just having nice, soothing warm tea. It's a little piece of home. It's so comforting, and I love this. So yes. Yes. I also received activated charcoal coffee body scrub. Now this is actually from Lose a Pound Daily, which I know that Malika is affiliated with as well. Of course, I'm going to leave the information below, but this is where I grab my handy little tool. So let's find. Enjoy head to toe clean with our whipped body balm. Yes. Perfect to use as a facial and a body scrub. Now this retails for $10.99. I didn't mention, but the prices of the box start at $39.95. I think it's $39.95 or $39.99. But that's where it starts for a monthly subscription service. They have 3 months and 6 months as well. If you do the 3 months, you're gonna you're gonna save a little bit off of, you know, the bulk pricing, and then the same thing with the 6-month package. Again, I'll leave all of the information down below, but this is definitely something that I'm interested in. If you don't know the effects of activated charcoal on your skin, on your face, on your body, I need you to do some research because you're missing out tremendously. It is bomb. I can only imagine how great this is going to be. I mean, I have to sneak and smell it, or at least look at it. Oh my gosh. Coffee body scrub. You guys, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm one of those weird people that loves the smell of coffee. This smells exactly like coffee. My gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to use this. I was literally, tomorrow is my fiance's birthday, Nicholas. I was literally just saying I want to buy him a good scrub because we don't have enough good scrubs in our life. And this makes me very happy that I own this now. Yes. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use that. Whew. You guys, I'm not even halfway through the box yet. This is awesome. And now I'm going to assume that this is a candle, which I absolutely love too. Who doesn't like a nice, if this is lavender. Oh my gosh, I think it's lavender. Let me look here. Oh my gosh, lavender soy candle by NYX Candles. It's 100% soy. Oh my goodness, derived from American grown soybeans for an eco-friendly clean burn. No dyes, no chemicals. You guys, I love lavender. I feel like I'm saying I love about every single item that I pull out of this box, which says a lot about the quality of the products in this box. And I'm not being biased. I absolutely love everything that I've pulled out so far. But lavender is great. I have lavender essential oil. I put a few drops under my pillow, and then the same thing for my children as well. It's great. It has wonderful medicinal purposes, but I specifically use it just for a relaxing, a calming, a soothing effect, and to help us sleep. So I cannot wait to burn this lavender candle. This makes me so happy. Oh my gosh. And it's gorgeous too. I love a good tin candle. And there's no chemicals, no added yuckiness. So that's definitely a plus. You can't really see all of the products here, but again, I'm going to link information down below. This is the February box, by the way. We're in the month of February. We are a few days away from Valentine's Day. It's the month of love. So this is just perfect. Okay, what do we think is in here? Let's see. Mug. This is awesome. And it says Lyfe Box on it. How dope is that? That is really, really cool. You can tell that Malika really put work into this box. Like, these aren't products that are just thrown together. She actually took the time, like it said in the description, she took time to curate and to personalize these boxes. And I think that's pretty awesome. Can you see the top? Okay, you can see the top too. That is so cool. Okay, a few more things to go. So we have 3 little pouches left in my box. Let's see what's inside. So I already know that one is a lip balm, right? So of course we have our lip balm, peppermint, which is excellent for your lips. Excellent for your skin and body in general, but that's gonna be fun. The ingredients are beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, peppermint essential oil, and vitamin E. Yes to all of those. Let me see if there's any more on the description here. It's by CJ Body, by the way. Oh my goodness. Makes your lips moist with 24-hour protection and vitamin E added. Some of our balms have a tint for added color and flavor oil for a sweet taste. Let's see if this has a tint to it. Slip right out of my hands. So it doesn't have a tint, but that's perfectly fine because I prefer to add the tint myself with my lipsticks. But definitely smells like peppermint. Yes, that is going to be fun. That's awesome. Awesome. All right, we're almost to the end. That makes me sad. Ooh, oh my goodness, 100% essential oils, lemongrass. Oh my goodness, this alone, probably the value is between $5 to $10. Let's take a look. Lemongrass 100% pure essential oil by Kiss Oils. Kiss is K-I-S. Lemongrass is a fast-growing, tall, aromatic grass in Asia. Invigorating and antiseptic properties, $7.95. So like I said, between $5 and $10. Oh my goodness, yes. I love my oils. I'm actually going to do a video on my favorite oils pretty soon, but I'm very excited to add this one to the collection. I've never owned lemongrass oil before, so that makes me excited. Let me smell it. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is pretty dope. This is very dope. Yes. Put you here, I know. I wish I can show all of you off, showcase all of you. I have one little pouch here left. Let's see. Wow, this is really pretty. So I'm assuming that this is a necklace. Look, how gorgeous is that? Of course, I don't have the auto zoom, so I have to keep it closer to my face. All right, so this is where I pull out my pamphlet. Let's see. Oh, wow. It says Mandala, I hope I'm saying this right. Mandala Essential Oil Diffuser Necklace. This pendant is designed with an offset mandala pattern of concentric circles and feathers. So it's a necklace, but it's an oil diffuser? Or unless there's another oil diffuser. Did I do that wrong? No. It's a necklace oil diffuser. I need to do some research to see how that works because that's pretty dope. If it's what I think it is, then that's pretty cool. I just thought it was a necklace, but I think it's really cool. I don't have this type of jewelry. Does that make sense? I don't even know like the name for this type of jewelry, but I don't own something like this. And I think it's really pretty. So I think that's dope. Oh my gosh. I think that is everything that was in my Lyfe box. Like I said, aside from this card, actually while I have it, let me just see. Because I'm not sure if it's a personalized note. So I'm going to kind of read it first. It's a thank you card. Oh, this is very sweet. So that is a personal note from Malika to myself, and I think that was very sweet. My boos, I thank you so much for watching. This was everything that I had in my Lyfe box. Like I said, this is near and dear to my heart because it was created by a friend of mine. So Malika, I thank you so much for sharing this with me. I think this concept is awesome. I'm all about self-care, taking care of yourself, and the fact that this is curated in a box, like for yourself or to provide to someone else for them to take care of themselves. I think it's awesome. Like I said to you all, this is Black owned. I am on a mission to not only, I mean, it's February. I'm not shopping Black owned only during this month. I'm making it my goal to shop Black owned, to shop local, any opportunity that I can. So I think this is bomb. This is a perfect opportunity. We don't need an occasion to celebrate ourselves or to celebrate each other. I would promote this on a random Tuesday. I would promote this for Mother's Day, for Easter, for Valentine's Day, for Galentine's Day, for Mother's Day. I feel like I said Mother's Day already, but like I said, we don't need a holiday. We don't need an occasion to take time for ourselves. We're so busy taking care of everybody else, doing things for everybody, putting people before ourselves. Right now, for example, I'm back in my full-time job. I have my full-time job. I'm planning a wedding. I have my son's birthday in March. Nicholas's birthday is tomorrow. I have so many things going on at once. It's very, very hard for me these days to take a minute and do something for myself. This makes it easy for me. Boxes like this make it so easy and so convenient. And not only the fact that it's convenient, the fact that it's personal, and the fact that it contains products that I would actually use. I'm about to go downstairs right now and make this green tea. So like I said, guys, I hope you find some time for yourself. I love you. I thank you for sticking with me, for watching this video. Do something for yourself right now after you turn off this video. Put yourself first. 5 minutes today. Maybe 10 to 20. Let's do 20 minutes today. I love you and thank you for watching. Bye.